would know that.
He told me.
Yeah, he told you that?
Yeah.
And how'd that make you feel, sissy?
That feels me. I think you're a poo-poo.
You what?
That gave me that idea. That's why I call you poo-poo. My name's Robbie D. Trinity.
Your name is Trinity Page.
I know. So I want to be that name.
You want to be Trinity Page Bennett?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love you too much.
I'm so proud of you. You're just like Mommy, my mini-me Trinity.
You look nothing like you. You got brains.
Mama.
What?
I wish I could see you.
I want to see you too, sissy. I love you.
I love you too.
You.
Tell your mama.
Bye, baby.
I'm not upset.
Tell you just don't want to talk. You feel lazy.
Oh, you sound
I'm
sad.
so lazy. I don't want to. Because I'm bored.
Our room.
I miss you too. I just see you every night.
I know. I miss seeing you every day.
And I was waiting for you.
Yeah, when I come to see you tomorrow is the day Mommy's supposed to come see you.
He was watching out the window and
Yeah, well, Daddy and Mommy agreed that she would come see you on Sundays. So, you are pretty, just like your mommy. Prettier than what? What?
I'm prettier.
Then what?
What? You what?
Are you saying you're prettier than Mommy?
Yeah.
Who told you that?
Mama.
She did.
And Daddy. My daddy didn't say he changed my name to Robbie D to Trinity.
Okay, I love you.
I love you. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Why you sound so sad?
Because I want to talk to you. Just 2 minutes.
Well, talk to me then, Mom. I love you and miss you, sissy.
I love you, miss you too.
Mommy tries to call every day, okay?
Okay.
I miss you so much.
You ain't been talking to her. Ain't called your daddy. Tell her right now.
Because I was not ready to talk to you, Mommy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Why wasn't you ready to talk to me?
Hey, talk to her. To make you talk to her today.
Daddy made me talk to you today.
Oh, he did.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mommy wishes she could see you.
Daddy, and my daddy don't really want you to come see me. I love my daddy, right? Stop, wait me. Daddy, stop doing that. Guess what?
What?
Somebody's moving to my room and I got my toys out and I'm living in my daddy's room.
You are? Love you so much, sissy.
I love you so much.
I love you from the sky to the ground.
I love you guys. I love you with my heart.
I love you with all my heart.
I love you too.
I love you from the sky to the ground.
I still want to talk.
I miss you.
Bedtime. It's past your bedtime.
Why not talk to her?
Well, you can talk to Mommy tomorrow. Give Mama bye.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, sissy. I love you.
Bye, girl. I miss you, sissy.
I've been thinking about you for 3 days. Why do you call me every day?
Because I love you.
I love you too.
And I will call every day. I will send you one message every day. What?
I still love you someday.
You love me every day. You want to talk to Mommy tomorrow?
Yeah, I still talk to you.
You still want to talk?
Yeah, I love you.
I love you. I'll stay on the phone.
I love you.
What?
I care about you.
I know you care about me. And I love you with all my heart.
Don't forget about it.
You always love me. I live by myself, Daddy. I never live by myself.
With me?
I wish you to come over here, but you can't because you're sick today because you won't come over. Mama.
What, baby?
I love you.
I love you, Trinity. I miss you.
Tuesday. Tuesday, almost already go bed. But Daddy, guess what?
What?
I'm not ready to call you, okay?
You're not. You said yesterday you was loving Mommy and ready to talk more.
But I tricked you.
You tricked me. You're tricking me right now.
Yeah, I tricked you last day.
You tricking me right now because you love me.
I love you, but I tricked you last day.
Yeah, you tricked me. Why did you trick me?
Yeah, I tricked you.
Well, I love you anyway.
Go see your family. Go there.
Where's your family go?
Family comes on.
Mommy and your Bubbas want you every day. It's not us that keep you away. I'm sorry, my baby girl.
Mama,
What, my mini-me Trinity?
you need Trinity?
You my mini-me Trinity.
Hello.
Said Mom said you smarter than that.
I'm smarter now.
Oh, you shouldn't say stuff like that. It's mean.
No, it isn't.
Uh-huh.
So not really, she might choose off the track.
Not really, but my cheese is off the track.
Well, I'm glad you're smarter than me, Sissy. You can be smarter than me.
Daddy, Mama said I'm beautiful.
You are beautiful.
I know because my mom said that.
Lord, that is your son. You're prettiest girl in the whole wide world.
My mama used to, my mama just me back all day. Look, play all day in the big bathtub.
Yeah, we used to play.
You tell your mom good night. You got done them all night.
My burger.
The Trinity, you stop falling enough. Now you got to see it.
My burger.
It's you.
Right on the back, and you push me off.
Good night.
Good night, Mama.
Good night, my baby. My mini-me.
Love you.
I love you, my mini-me.
Bye.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. Goodbye.
Bye, baby. Yeah, we'll see when we see you. Good job, Sissy. You smart.
Bubba, so yeah, school today, but the teacher blocked me from looking. Letting you see me.
Hello?
Quit texting and calling. We're too busy to talk to you tonight.
Then you want something special, am I right? Yeah. I got just the thing.
Hello?
Well, one thing, the gun was pulled on me for hitting Jeremy. Gun was pulled on me because my brother's a coward. Two is, I ain't said you couldn't call Trinity. She has her phone with her 24/7. She
Okay.
knows how to answer it, and she knows how to hang it up.
Okay.
I blocked you from my phone because I'm tired of talking to you. I didn't say you couldn't talk to Trinity.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't be calling me here making threats or nothing like that.
I'm not threatening you. Why did I threaten you?
Mommy, don't come here. We have 2 loans and 1 loan.
Go talk to your mama.
Thank you. Okay, Mommy.
Hey, my baby, I miss you.
Guess what? Daddy got almost a little puppy.
Yeah, you told me the other day. Have you been enjoying the little puppy?
Yeah, he's some guy. He's balding. He's a feisty.
Tell your mama to call you on your phone. You know how to answer it, and you know how to hang it up. I don't.
Yeah, I know how to.
Okay, you want me to call your phone?
The panda.
And tell
I got you. I got you.
You want me to?
I didn't stop you from calling me.
Yeah, well, I don't know when I can call you or if I can call you.
I'm playing with a little puppy. Come back here.
What, baby?
I'm playing with a little puppy. Hey, I'm not playing with a little puppy. It's good.
Yeah, you having fun?
I just bad me like this. Oh, I love you.
I love you. I miss you bunches.
What are you doing?
Sitting here wishing my Trinity was here.
What are you doing, Daddy? Thank you.
You want me to call your phone, Sissy?
You hold on. If you send me one more message making threats or anything like that, I will stop you from talking to her, Trinity, Sylvie, because I'm tired of this crap.
Robbie, I haven't threatened you. How did I threaten you?
I have it on my phone.
How did I threaten you?
About Jeremy and all that. You talking about something you don't know nothing about.
I didn't threaten you. That's not a threat.
When you tell me that you know a few things too, I'm taking it as a threat.
Okay, you win, Robbie. Whatever. I just want to talk to
You
Trinity.
dang right I win. I win every time. I've outsmarted you every time every move you made, I've outsmarted you. So don't go thinking you smarter than Robbie.
Okay, yeah. Can I talk to Trinity?
Yeah, I know you were probably recording me too, but I don't care. I'm fed up with you. You have harassed me. You have drove me insane.
Robbie, I just want to talk to Trinity, please.
To aggravate me. Yes, you can talk to Trinity.
That's
but
all I
blocked
want.
my phone because I'm tired of dealing with you.
Threats have been made in your sense as well, but I don't want to argue or hash that out. I want to talk to
Because
Trinity.
I'm
That's
doing
it.
what's best for our daughter. Why don't you?
Okay, yeah.
Talk to your mother. So we're still waiting on the drug test.
Hey, really? Sissy? Sissy, I love you, baby.
I just gotta go after my mouth and puppy put in.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Come on here, puppy. Come on.
I miss you, little girl. What's your puppy's name?
Little puppy's name. What's the little puppy's name, Daddy? I told him. What's his name? What's his name? Dadler. Oh, his name is Randy.
Yeah?
He likes how we pick him. What's his name? What's his name? Dadler. Oh, his name is Randy.
Yeah?
He likes how we pick him up. Stop! You tickled me. Tickled me. Go play. Go play. Sometimes he stays on to get a corn dog and get my food. And I get.
Go ahead. You there?
Yeah.
Has it ever occurred to you if you tried to get along with me, Sylvie, you quit making snide comments and stuff that we'd work something out?
Robbie, I know this. I understand way more than you think. Okay, I'll put it that way.
I don't even know what to do with that. What do you mean you know way more than you think?
I know way more than you think I do about this situation and how people are and how to handle it.
Sylvie, all I'm saying, if you would try to make an effort to get along and quit being such a whatever you're doing.
Robbie, I try to, but listen to the things you say to me. I'm not a drug addict. You know that. You can look at me and tell I'm not no drug addict. So
Don't you start with me. I know better.
How do you know better?
Sylvie, there was times I was standing outside that trailer and would be staring at the window watching you and Johnny and light up your meth pack.
Oh my gosh. No, what it is that's your scapegoat. That's your scapegoat.
You can lie all you want to. I know better.
You don't know better because I did not smoke meth.
I do know better.
Robbie, this is why you tell me I need to get along with you, but I'm not the one with the resistance.
Sylvie, we went over there Easter Day and waited for you for an hour and a half. You never even showed up. You called at, what, 4:30?
Yeah, you know, people have headaches and stuff, so it happens. It's very rare.
Go back in the house. Go back in the house. Go back in the house, baby.
And how long did you wait, you say?
We waited an hour and a half.
Okay, if that were true, then at 4:30 would have been the time you left the schoolhouse. Okay?
That's right.
I messaged you at 4:03, I believe, and you were already... No.
I went back and looked. You messaged me at...
It was right after 4, like 4:03.
4:44 when you messaged me.
I can send you a screenshot of it, Robbie.
Went to Wardell's.
You know...
Just settle her down.
It's pointless to try to play your games because you're right. You win because you're good at what you do. And that's not something to take pride in, to be honest. But that's you.
I'm not trying to be good at what I do.
I am not. I mean, if you don't want to talk to me, then why are you even doing this right now?
Because I'm trying to come to some kind of agreement or something with you, Sylvie.
Your future making promises like, oh, you know, you can see Trinity more. And then all of a sudden I'm right back to being a drug addict. I mean, you need to make up your mind which route you're going. Either I'm good enough to see her or I'm a drug addict. Those are your two fall points. And Jonathan is your scapegoat because he's a piece of shit. Look at who was arrested for that kind of shit. Not me. My bad, I was fooled by it.
Hold on just a minute. Sylvie, you there?
Oh, yeah, I'm here.
Look, you have harassed me. You have done everything.
That is not true.
And Sylvie, I'm not the one saying I'm going to be somewhere and never show up.
That happened one time, Robbie. One time.
Sylvie,
And I had a bad headache. And you know what? I get up every day just about on holidays and I cry because I miss my family. I miss my daughter. I miss my life. Okay? So... if I had a bad headache and I called you an hour later and you're stating that it was an hour and a half you waited at the schoolhouse.
You used to crash and sleep all day. You've been tweaking all night.
That is not true. If I was tweaking, I wouldn't be going to sleep, and I would be tweaking all night and day.
Well.
Right? Wouldn't that make sense if I was a big meth head? Every time you showed up, I seemed to be sleeping, because how many times did you walk in my house and just go into my room?
Usually because when I want to bring Trinity back.
No, it was while Trinity was there.
No, it's whenever I was bringing Trinity back.
I'm not going to argue with you. I know the facts. I have my mother and I have my children and I have other people that...
Your mother was only ever there because she left because you moved John Pickering in and she couldn't stand it.
My mother was there most of the time, especially at the end, Robbie, where she witnessed you standing in my room watching me sleep.
You can call the stuff you want to, but I proved it in court without a shadow of a doubt.
You didn't prove it in court. You had a judge and a lawyer, and I had a lawyer that's all part of a system that is rigged that way. Have you done any research on that? No, no, probably not.
It's all rigged. It's all rigged because it didn't go Sylvie's way.
That's not true, Robbie. She dismissed very important key facts, and it's definitely more to it than just, you know, if anything, she was also manipulated because I wasn't the only one at fault.
How was the judge being manipulated?
I don't believe she was honestly manipulated, but I'm not the only one that was at fault. You've made numerous accusations on me and my oldest son, and...
I have not.
Oh, yeah?
I was contacted by someone who told me that he was caught at...
And see, that's another thing. That never happened, so either you're just making that up or whoever's contacting you must not be a very reliable source, huh?
Yeah, I don't know.
Because that's not the first time that you've made accusations against Tyler, because what about the CPS thing, which was false? Because guess what? Even if something like that was opened in investigation, guess who does the investigating part? It's not CPS. There was no such things.
They called me, want to know if he was my son.
That was another false accusation you made after After...
What land of existence do you live on?
What land of existence do you live on, Robbie? I know someone who works there. There was no case on Tyler, ever. So...
Look, I'm not against the youngin'. I give him a brush.
Yeah, that's just to make it seem like you're his friend. But me and Tyler and my children, my boys, we know better, Robbie. We know better.
See, this is why we can't get along, Sylvie.
No, we don't even have to speak. If that's fine with me. So we don't have to speak to get along.
We even offered you a deal so you could see her on a regular basis. And you knew better than the judge and the lawyer. So don't come here telling me all that, Sylvie.
It wasn't that I knew better, Robbie.
You fired your lawyers.
Yeah, because guess what? They were not digging into your past, were they? Because there's domestic violence, restraining orders, and all those types of things on you.
I'm the one that took her and run off with her when you were supposed to leave the state of Louisiana without my permission.
You know what? We both know that acknowledgement of paternity affidavit was not signed by me, Robbie.
You a liar. You signed
And that Jerry Gordy is your mother's in-law. I mean, she was Woodham, right? I've done my research. I've done my research.
You're a liar.
Not one person on that document was my family or anybody that I can even name or know, really, besides your immediate family.
You're such a liar.
Well, that's fine. If that's what you think, that's fine, Robbie. But the document will say differently.
That's it, Sylvia.